Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Avadh Oasis by Avadh Group located in Dadar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing. Also, you can see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listed platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.17 acres that will have a standalone tower with basement, ground, 3 podium and 18 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Bal Govindas Road, Kasarwadi, Dadar, from where Dadar railway station is only at a distance of 4 minutes, Shivaji Park is only at a distance of 7 minutes, Phoenix Palladium is only at a distance of 4 kilometers, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 2 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, the Sundown Lounge, gym, kids play area, banquet hall, senior citizen area, skywalk, yoga deck and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 431 square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 702 square feet and 2 BHK large in the carpet area of 752 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Avadh Oasis by Avadh Group located in Dadar.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.